Reserve a study room in the Edmon Low Library from the library's homepage. Visit library.okstate.edu. Click on Reserve a Study Room. Filter your options by date, capacity, and/or floor. See what amenities are in each room by clicking on the orange information button next to each room. Select the times you wish to reserve the room in sequential order and click Confirm. You will be prompted to log in using your OKey credentials, including dual authentication. Review your reservation details and check that you have read and agreed to the study room policies. Click Book the Room. Selecting Continue takes you back to the room booking site should you need to make an additional reservation. A booking confirmation will be sent to your OkState email. You can always visit our circulation and information desk should you need assistance, or call 405-744-9775.